guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be playing my own server, so only me and my friend here.
Brother.
Yeah. I don't know what I keep saying, friends. My own server, so let's go. Cost 100 Robux.
I thought when you said Robux, I thought it was Robux. Robux is Robux, okay?
Yes. Robux.
Who cares how much?
Who cares?
Exactly. 90, yeah.
I'm VIP and you were VIP, but I won't use it often. Probably.
I'm gonna
Airport.
Yeah. I want to drive an airplane.
Yeah. Wait, what? Airplane? Airplane.
And this?
You can come airplane. Dude, really? That airplane?
I mean, I could crash it into me. You could buy it.
Nah, you can't. I wish you could, though. But even if you crash into me, it won't hurt. You'll probably just throw me around the world. 4,390 points.
Come back.
I'm cheap. Okay.
Let's go down. Okay, we go in the car.
Should we go in car?
Let's go up here.
I'll beat you.
How do I beat you first?
Try me.
Don't use it anymore. You're
What?
already at the
Fine.
anyway, you already won me.
No. Okay, yeah, I beat you.
This is because this dumb game doesn't make you go fast. I can see your shadow. Your shadow.
Alright.
Where are you?
Over here.
I saw your shadow. I remember, like, at the second floor. I saw your shadow. What is these?
They're clouds.
One just disappeared. It just came out.
Cool.
I'm gonna jump off the edge. Ready?
Yeah. Don't break a leg.
Yeah, I want to.
Alright,
Whee! I broke my left leg.
jump.
Tell
Dude,
me.
that was on you, man.
Tell me.
If I were to break my leg, I would reset.
I want it.
I would.
Jump off the edge. Come on, bro. I will catch you.
Okay.
I'll keep on moving around to look for you. Where are you? I'm coming. I'm coming, bud.
Aw. I'm resetting, dude. I hate broken legs. I hate broken legs.
I'm a zombie. Yeah.
You killed me. I'm getting back in the game.
I'm drive a car.
You're here. Yeah, we're gonna come with you, man.
I'm already in the car, so I'm gonna drive.
Wait for me.
Come on, bro. Hop on.
Bam. Wait.
Oh, God.
Dude, what the heck, man?
I thought you did. Come on, bro. I got a broken leg. I have to go to the hospital.
Dude, I don't sit right, man. Dude, look. I don't sit right. I can't even look properly. Look, I don't sit right. Dude, look. I don't sit right, man. Whatever. I'm just gonna be in first person. Don't drive the tornado, because if you do, I will personally kill you.
Ouch.
You're a bad driver, man. Where is it for me, dude?
Right there.
Wait, don't drive towards it. No, man. I'm not dying.
Bye.
I'm not dying, dude.
Come to Papa, bro. Oh, no. No. Oh, I'm dead.
Dude, really?
I'm coming.
I'm getting you, bro.
I'm coming. Oh, wait, I can get a car.
Oh, yeah, wait for me, bro.
I can beat you.
Stay funny. This was all your fault, man. If you were to have to crash that car. Oh, jeez. Dude, I survived, dude.
I did it.
Just put my heel cord.
Where are you?
I'm healing right now.
Where are you?
I'm still alive, dude.
I killed you.
Dude, I even broke a leg.
You broke a leg?
Let me get some lucky to the vine.
Dude, you're going fast, even though you broke your leg.
Yeah. I'm going.
These nuts.
Oh, jeez! Oh, jeez!
I'm stuck. Help! I'm a poster.
Dude, I'm stuck, man.
Dude, look.
Dude, look, I'm stuck underground. Dude, I'm stuck underground.
I'm stuck in the wall. Help.
How did I die?
Dude, I'm stuck in the ground.
Dude, you're gonna die, dude.
I'm a poster.
How did I die, though?
Dude, look to the side where I am. Everything is it's like I'm up sky.
I hate when the tornado just tracks the
Dude, it's like
totally.
help me.
You're the king of the world right now.
How can you walk?
Dude, you lost your arm. Dude, you lost your arm, man.
No, I'm stuck in a poster. I'm stuck as a poster.
Yeah.
No, I'm stuck as a poster. I'm not lying. See, look. I'm stuck as a poster.
That's you, dude. Oh wait, where are? Oh, so you have to be up there. I don't see you up there. Okay, good. No hurricane. I stuck as a poster.
See, look. I'm like
see
close. I'm close to the side. I see you. See, look. If you look
Oh,
up
you're over there, dude. You didn't tell me that. Over here?
Yeah.
I don't see you.
You're
dude.
coming closer. You're coming closer.
I don't see you,
Just
dude.
keep on going straight. Keep on going straight.
Here?
No, you're going further. Go like behind here.
I don't see it, dude.
You're coming,
I'm
you're
gonna
coming.
die, man.
My armor flying off the world. I still have 90 points.
Dude, let's go in the VIP room.
I can't go in there.
Yeah, you can. If I can go in there, you can.
Let's do that. Let's do that. Wait, are you both VIP? Are you both? Or just one?
You're a VIP since you're in my server. Wait, don't go without me, man.
Really?
Yeah. Come on.
Where are you? Which one are we going in?
You go VIP.
You were VIP. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to go in here. Oh man, what is there?
Oh, you can't. I'm just splitting on my house. Okay, you can't be VIP, dude. You sure? Dude!
What?
What the heck? Oh, I know what to do. That's such a glitch, dude.
I haven't this before, you know that, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get in the race car and crash it so we can't do it, okay?
Okay, sure.
Cause I was stuck as a poster until we're done. Ready? Going straight. We're going on a trip. A favorite rocket ship.
Dude, crash it.
Wait, let me just get inside the house, okay?
Dude, let's go to a different. We always went to go to the towers. Dude, I'm gonna go in the purple house.
I'm crashing the race car in here, so I'll go.
I was gonna get the awesome racer.
This one?
Nah, never mind.
I came just to destroy it, so we can't get it.
Yeah, you should put where like the tornado is.
Oh yeah, I can just park it right
But you should do it the back way for you to get that much hurt.
Oh gosh, storms possible, yes. Tornadoes impossible, yes. Oh,
And at first, dude, when you were like right there.
oh my gosh, this is so hard.
Dude, come on, man. Where are you going, dude?
I'm trying to crash it into the house.
Yeah. Bam. Eh. Oh no.
Okay, come on, bro.
Dance to one.
smashing into the wall right now.
Now you can't get me, bruh.
Dude, you know what I can do?
What?
I'll just like leave it like right here.
Yeah, just do that. Oh, for like.
And then when it comes, I would just destroy it.
I'm just dancing up here. Okay, let's go.
Dude, where are you? Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Let's do it. Put the race bar here for protection.
Where? In there?
Oh, jeez. We're gonna get hit, dude.
Why?
According to my calculations. I don't know. Dude, leave, man. Where are you at, dude?
I'm taking the poster again.
Dude.
Help me. No, I don't want to die. No, I don't want to die.
I hit you.
Yeah. Okay.
What the heck?
It's a different type of nut. It's like the walnut.
Oh, jeez.
It's like the walnut. You can touch the left nut.
Where's your head? I have no idea, dude. Where's the head?
Wait.
What?
Look, like, yeah, it fell off. That's pretty funny. Dude, where are you?
Oh, here.
I see you. No.
Dude,
Dude, be careful!
Dude, you're really laggy, dude.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Dude, you don't have hair.
I know.
But you lost your head.
I'm just gonna hit this when I come in, dude. It's scary. So I'm gonna end the video.
Yeah, bye guys.
No,
We're gonna make another video after this.
No, like when this is done. It's random done.
No, we can end it right here. So we can put music on it. You know what I mean, right?
Well, guys. See ya. See ya, guys. Bye, guys. See ya next time.
We're gonna make another video after this.
Please subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed the vid. So,
Not really.
yeah. What the heck, man, dude?